Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
Hello, I'm Dave Chadwick from Bangor University. Behind me you can see a lowland paddock with lots of dark green patches, and those dark green patches all represent a urine deposition by a grazing sheep here. And those urine patches are real hotspots for reactive nitrogen deposition that results in the greenhouse gas nitrous oxide emissions. The UK research community has done a fantastic job at quantifying the greenhouse gas emission nitrous oxide from urine patches across different soil types and climates throughout England, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales. But what it hasn't done is to explore the nitrous oxide emission from urine patches from the large number of animals that graze the uplands that you can see up there in the hillland. The question is the urine composition of those sheep that are grazing up there very different from the sheep that are grazing down here because the vegetation is different? And is the emission different because of the low pH and the very highly organic content, the high organic content of soils up there? And that's what we're looking at in some of our current work. We're showing that the nitrous oxide emission from urine patches deposited in the uplands are far lower than those in the lowlands, with real implications for carbon footprint